This is the knob for the feed. This was cut previously, just a few minutes ago. Kind of see the cut that it makes. Shuts down by itself. Open it up again, all the way to the top. That's as high as it goes. And then obviously you can move these around. That pretty much covers it. There's a catch basin with a pump in it down below. It's dry right now, but drain holes are right there. It drops down pretty quick if you open it up all the way. It just falls down. So this is the control for that, and that pretty much covers it.